Hello guys, my name is Yusuf. Today I want to do a logarithm video, and the video is about how to change exponential forms to logarithmic forms, and also how to change the logarithmic forms to the exponential forms, actually the inverse of it. So first of all, I want to tell you guys, you must memorize this formula if you want to change an exponential to a logarithmic form, or a logarithmic form to exponential form. You need to understand, or you need to memorize this formula. So first of all, I want to do an example. This is example number 1. If we have 3 to the power of 3, it equals 27. So in here, this equation is similar to this part of the formula. So what is x? X is 3, and what is a? A is 3. So we have it in here, and this one also in here, and n is 27. So the n is 27, and what we got here is the formula: logarithm base a of n equals to x. So logarithm base, what is the value of a? The value of a is 3. Logarithm base 3 of, what is n? N is 27, equals to x. What is the value of x? X is 3. So there we go. This is our sorry, this is 3. I'm really sorry about this. The logarithm base 3 of 27 is 3. I'm gonna do another example. If we have 5 to the power of 4, it's actually equal to 625. And if I want to change this to a logarithmic form, I take it and change it to the logarithmic form. I will break it into the parts. The x's, here is the x, here is the a, and here is the n. I'm gonna write it down in the lower part. So x is equal to 4, a is equal to 5, and n is equal to 625. So there we go. So the formula is logarithm of logarithm of base a of n equals to x, and here a is 5, n is 625, and the x is 4. There we go. I'm gonna do another example as well to make it easy for you guys. If we have a equation or an exponential equation like c to the power of t equals to for example z. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it in parts. So in here, d is x, c is a, and n is z. If you know what I mean, a to the x equals to n. This belongs to this, c belongs to a, and z belongs to n. So we have the formula logarithm of n. We have this formula right here. We write it down again in here. So logarithm base a of n equals to x. So I will write it down and plug all the values. So c, a is c, n is z, equals to x. What is the value of x? It is d. So there we go, guys. So the question remains is how can I change a logarithmic form to an exponential form? This is pretty easy. I'm gonna show you guys in a second how you guys can do it. So how to to change an exponential to logarithm. So it's very easy. I'm gonna write some examples. You guys will know it. Example number 1. If I have a logarithm of 12 logarithm base 12 to the of 12 equals to 1, and I want to change this to exponential form. So I take the base and raise it to the power of this number right here, the number on the right side of the equation. So I write it like 12 to the power of 1 equals to, the equal sign is back, equals to 12. This is so easy, isn't it? Second example, if I have the logarithm of for example 625 logarithm base 5 of 625 is equal to 4, and I want to change this logarithmic type to the exponential type. So I take the 5 and raise it to the power of the number on the right side of the equation. So I write 5 to the 4 equals to what? 625. I'm gonna do another example. Example number 3. So what I have here is logarithm of, for example, base b of w equals to f. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise b to the power of the number on the right side of the equation, like this. B to the power of f. I take the equal sign back in here, and I write the number, whatever it is, I write it in here. So there we go, we have it. So if I want to change this exponential form back to logarithmic form, what I do is I write it down like this, like b to the power of f equals to w. So what is f? F is x, b is a, and w is n. So I use this formula right here, which I written down already. I will use it. Logarithm base a of n equals to x. What is x? X is f. X is f. F logarithm. What is n? N is w. And what is a? A is b. So I changed back the exponential form back to the logarithmic form. So if we guys compare our answers, they are the same. This is the same as I read it at the first. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys learned anything from my video, please support my channel by putting a like, and that will also make me happy. And as always guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace.